don't
Yep.
have to stop.
You're going way too fast, buddy. Bam! We hit a truck. Why are you going so fast? At the light, we're going to turn left. Can you explain that? You know we would have hit that truck, right? Yeah, you're going too fast. Where was your foot resting?
On the gas, I should have.
Yeah, on the gas. So then if you panicked, you know what you're going to do?
Gas it.
Gas it and crash into that truck even harder. You see that right there? What's that? That's a big fat white line. You know, you're supposed to stop ahead of that on the red light. Now it's green, so what are we doing?
I'm going to move out since we're turning.
Okay, so move out. So move out so we can still see the light. Can you see the light?
Yeah.
And now can you see the light?
Yes, I can still see the light.
Okay, now watch traffic when it's clear. Or if the light turns yellow and we're going to complete our turn, make sure that they stop.
Okay, this should be a big enough opening.
All right, get ready. Easy, easy. Doggone it, buddy. Turn the wheel back. Do you not feel yourself? You're getting on the gas like, here we go, you know what I'm saying? You don't need to do that. Nice and smooth. Okay?
Did not see that stop sign.
Yeah,
And the
bam.
cars.
How's that? Think they would have done damage to you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anybody coming now?
No, not that I can see.
Well, then what are we waiting for? You're not going to see them anymore. Stop sign will turn right. So you guys can see how if you don't see a stop sign, it can be bad, right?
If I don't see a stop sign, should I just slow down out of habit, just in case there's
No.
a stop sign?
No. Pay attention is what you should do. And listen to your instructor when he tries to give you hints on how to do things. Maybe do them that way. Like when you go up for a right turn, turn before you get there. It's too late now. Look, what's coming? What's coming? Everything coming? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Now, stay in your lane. And now the stop sign, we're going to turn right. Oh, you know what? You got to stop at stop signs. Right? Okay, now let him go. You're just going to go through it? Good enough safe last night?
Yeah.
Yeah, you did.